So we think about that piece around strategic planning, and we talk all the time with schools about creating focuses in their collaborative planning and in their collaborative team meetings that are based on their 3-year school improvement goals, which also connect to those district goals. So there is that nice alignment all the way through. And just considering that as new people come in, if those goals are changing, then it obviously has impact on how the school is moving forward on their goals as well. So just thinking about how do we understand that planning that happens around strategic goal alignment is part of collaborative response, and that it has great impact on the collaboration and teams that we have working together in